Good day friends, today we will see how we can import a PDF file into the AutoCAD with the same images, everything, same details. So first of all, like say my image, I will see first which I want to bring it. This is our drawing which I make before, so you can see it's made in feet and inches. So we go back to our drawing and we have to go to dim style, then modify, then we have to primary units. Yes, so primary units already set as architecture, so that everything will come in an architecture point of view over there. Remaining thing we can adjust later. This is very important, your units here set should be same as you are there. So okay, now I will go to insert command, import PDF. So it goes to where I have this file already. I will open it. First of all, location, specify insertion point on screen. Yes, I will put it as wherever I want. Scale is 1, I will keep as the 1. So how much it has to bring. PDF scale is 1:58. We don't use it. PDF data to import. Vector geometry, yes. Solid fields, yes. True type text, yes. Raster image, no need. Use PDF layer. So we will keep the same layer what we have before. Next, insert import options. Import as block, no. If we block as import, it will be one set, we cannot modify easily. Join line and arc segments, yes, we take it. Convert solid fields into hatches, no. Leave as. Then apply line width properties, yes. Infer line types from collinear dashes, no. So I press OK and I place it here. So it came. Okay, so you can see same image have came with that very proper line and everything. So yes, you can see it has some, maybe during us making it first like this one. Dimensions are not as a dimension, they are acting as a line. So first we check the dimensions over here, from here to here, take it. So 42 feet, it is 42 feet, so it's okay. Just we have to change the style of dimensions over in our image, in our drawing, but you can see exactly what we have, it came over here. So I will go to dim style, modify. So first I go to text height 2.5 feet, which is too much, so I make it as a 0.2. Okay, that's okay. Now next is the symbols and arrows. Symbol size 0.2. I make it center mark, none. Yes, architecture text, okay. Lines, extend beyond limb line 0.2. It's also 0.2. So you can see here it's getting better. Exit lines, you want to keep, you want to remove, you have to remove it. Okay, close. Now we take dimension again, same dimension. So you can see now it's much better. Still we can make it more better. So 42 feet, I make it just to check what is going on here. So 10 feet, so it's a very much close to the whatever we have exactly in this size. So from here you can redraw it, you can make modify here wherever you want. It's the simplest way to import the PDF to AutoCAD. See you in the next video.